The black box from crashed Air India Boeing 787 has been found.
Investigators have now successfully retrieved and downloaded the black box data from the ill-fated AI-171, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner that crashed.
Do we have a black box on board? Yes, we do.
But it indeed is called as VDR on ships.
The question is, why do we need a VDR? The answer is very simple. We need a VDR to get the information, like to have a backup of all the information. Basically, VDR collects all the information from all the equipments, navigation equipments, radio equipments, lots of it. We will cover it later. So the main purpose is that. That's why we have a VDR. Coming up to the second question, that is, what data? So what all data we can get from VDR, as we can see over here in the screen. There are multiple equipments which are giving inputs to our VDR, so that there are various things like alarms, our recordings, there are microphones on the bridge, and then there are screens from radar, equipment, like this. All this is getting recorded into our VDR. Basically, as I have told earlier, that this VDR is actually recording your data on a continuous basis, and it records your data, all the feeds from various equipments for like 48 hours, and then all this data is like overwritten like for 48 hours. It will keep only the data for the last 48 hours, and it will override the data which is existing for the before, and it will continuously keep deleting all the previous data and replace it with the new data. So in our fixed capsule, we have 48 hours of backup, and that can be used by technicians to withdraw the data from it. And we have similar system, like we have a float-free capsule that's fitted with the EPUB called as VDR EPUB, and that has an HRU also, hydrostatic release unit. The purpose of that HRU and that float-free EPUB is like if like in case we have an accident and the fixed capsule, all the other systems are like if in case we have an accident and the ship sinks, and in that situation we need data for the investigation. People need data for investigation, that what happened, what scenario happened, what conditions happened. So in that case, we have one float-free capsule. That capsule will come up automatically with the help of the HRU, of course, and then it will also send a signal to the satellite similar to your EPUB, and then people can retrieve that VDR EPUB and can use that EPUB to extract the data. It also has the last 48 hours of data saved to it, and then people can use that data to find out what went wrong and to collect the information and to find out the root cause of the situation, and it will be used for investigation of the accident. And for collection of this data, there are various feeds that are going through our equipments, like our radar, EGDIS, gyro, GPS, all the equipments we have feed going through, and this is all through the electrical connections. And we can see here there are a lot of wirings, there are a lot of feed coming into the system, so that it records everything. GMDSS, EGDIS, everything is connected, starboard wing, and also there are microphones on the bridge that records all the communication, all the alarms. See, like this, we have 4 inside. Two on the conning position, one on the chart table, one on the radio room. These are basically to record the communication and to record the conversation between master, between the officers, pilots, etc. And we have one on each bridge wing. That's for the time of berthing and unberthing, to record the communication between master and pilot. You can see here, this is our mic on the bridge wing. Good weather. Now, how to extract our data from the VDR. This is our VDR remote access panel, and we have to go in menu, go down, download data to the USB disk. Okay, select USB disk, then it will show you cannot detect any USB disk to use. Okay, we select here download VDR data, then we select how much duration we want. Like I want for, let's say, 24 hours. I will select 24 hours. Now this is saying that detecting the VDR data. Actually, in the main VDR system, we have to connect a USB. Always we have to keep a USB that is connected to a VDR. This is actually our VDR. That one is our VDR remote access panel. So here is a USB slot, and this USB is always connected to this VDR so that we can take a data anytime we want. We can just from the remote access panel select the duration and extract the data. All this is a connection for the LAN, VGA connection for the technician to check. Here we have some alarms, some indications for the status of error or power, battery status, everything. Mostly electrical connections. So this is the USB. If you have not connected the USB, it will not detect the USB over there. It will show you an error that no USB detected. But now when we have a USB connected over here, it will detect it and it will copy all the data into the USB. We will check on the other side. So it's showing extraction size is this much. Done. Let's try a smaller one. Let's see for 5 minutes. It will show you the message like detecting USB disk. Okay, USB disk detected, USB disk this, expected size this one. So we shall continue. Then this will download the VDR data into the USB. See, now the status will come like downloading of VDR data completed. Now all this data is now transferred into the USB. I have selected for 5 minutes. We can select more duration, and we can just the size of the data will be different as per the duration you have selected. Like you have selected for more duration, the size of the file will be a bigger one. So what we have to do next is we just have to remove this USB from here, and then we have to use our laptop or any PC, so that we have a software for Danelac. It's called as the VDR Explorer. We will use that software, and in that VDR Explorer software we will use this USB, and we can view this VDR data. So here we have all the manuals that we have for our VDR equipment. We have hard copies as well, we have a soft copy as well, and we have one software called as VDR Explorer. I'll show it to you later on in this video, that how to use this VDR Explorer. This VDR Explorer is basically used to view the extracted data into our laptop. So we can extract the data from the VDR, and we can check all that data, connecting the USB to the computer or any laptop, and then through the software we can view what all feed we are getting, and we can check. Other than that, what's important for us, these manuals, installation manual, this is necessary and required at the time of installation. This is basically for the technicians who are going to install this VDR on your ship. For us, more relevant is this operational manual. It will show us the various things. Important parts are like understanding what are the units we have, like different parts of our VDR, like the bridge control panel or the remote access panel that I've showed you here. The data acquisition unit, this one where all the feed is going on, data acquisition unit. Another one is we have data processing unit, functions, alerts, all categories of alerts that we can get in this VDR system, and what it means and how to troubleshoot it. This is all mentioned in this what all sorts of alerts we will get, what all sort of troubleshooting it requires. Mostly this is what is required for the operational part of it. Now, as we have extracted our VDR data in this USB, I'm going to show you how do we view this data in the computer using the software VDR Explorer that I have already explained to you. So now let's begin and see how it works. Now it's a regular computer screen. We have already inserted our USB. It's not detected yet. We will insert it again. See, this is detected here. I will close it. This is VDR USB. So now, I will just take it closer. So now what I will do, I will just open my VDR Explorer application. Here, it will ask me, do you want to extract a file? I will say connect. Please select a file, then I will have to select the file. I'll browse, and then I will go into my VDR USB, select my extracted data file, open, and I will click connect. So here it will give us the data. Well, we have only extracted 5 minutes of data. So now if I press on play, it will give me the feeds of all the equipment. See, I have a radar feed here, I have my speed log feed here. This is the data only for 5 minutes. So we can extract the similar sort of data for more than 5 minutes, approximately up to 48 hours we can extract the data, and we can view using this software. You can see the images also of all the multiple screens that we have over here, and there are multiple options like AIS data we can check from here, autopilot and rudder angle indicators we can check here. The ship's already on auto, so whatever changes are in the helm order, it will be recorded over here. Also, this AMS engine data we can record from here, Banwas data, water ingress, status of water ingress, doors, digital parameters, water mist system, CO2 system, steering gear systems, and the alarms. Then the network status. This will show us all the detailed information, and the VDR status in the last. So that's how it is done. Very easy. Similarly, we can extract more for more up to 48 hours. Using the same software, we can view it, and when we are done, we can just exit. Okay, so that's all. So I hope you guys liked my video. Subscribe to see more such content. I'll be making up a lot of new content on a lot of things. So if you like it, if you want to view it, just subscribe to my channel. It's mentioned here. Thank you.